Guys, what's up and what is glorious, YouTube? Look at this, man. We got 2 5 stacks. Look at that, that's 1 5 stack. I'm dropping parcels. And then we have yet another 5 stack. Today, my friends, we have a giant vintage snapback unboxing. Let's go ahead and crack into these bad boys. It has been a minute. It's been a little minute since I did a sit down with you guys. I've been busy selling and shipping all of those Banties for probably the past week. The support has been crazy. Thank all of you guys for shopping on thriftheavenvintage.com. It really does help your boy out. And yeah, in the meantime, I've been doing a little bit of a perusing as well for the vintage snapbacks. This is my original love for vintage, man. It was these hats. I would see people rocking vintage snapbacks and I was like, man, I want some of those. It's what got me into the trenches, into thrifting and all of that. So I figured I'd go ahead and do some online perusing and see what I could dig up. You feel me? And we're gonna start off with the first hat, which Little Kinky Twist gifted me for Christmas. It is this Dallas Cowboys as seen on that booty print right there. Vintage Apex snapback. I love the paneling on this dude. It is all multicolored, got the big star in the front. Yes, the team is trash, but this hat ain't, and I guess that's what matters because it's what is cradling my mullet right now. All right, man, the stable is open. Now, some of these things might not be hats. I'm not exactly sure because I just get so much stuff to my P.O. box that sometimes it's hard for me to keep track of what exactly layeth within these nice cardboard enclosures. So let's see what's happening, Captain, with this first box. This thing is a pretty small box, so Lord knows it probably is a hat, and it is. Oh man, dude, this one is a banger. Oh, dude, it actually smells like booty, which makes sense because this says, "Damn Seagulls, Daytona Beach," and it is encrusted in hopefully authentic bird fecal matter. Yes, these birds were spraying out of their backside this beautiful, I guess, paint drip of distressing on this vintage trucker hat. I love unique and funny hats with crazy subject matter, so that is why I got this, dude. That's what it will look like tightened on me. Low-key, it looks like clouds on the brim, but the clouds are actually made of dope. So that's what's up. Tripping. All right, you guys know I'm coming correct with this snapback unboxing, bro. Unique items only. Y'all know how we rockin', boy. So this next hat is also another one. Oh! Animal encrusted. You got the mouse, the rat, the most infamous dude. Mickey Mouse on the pinstriped hat. You got Mickey on that little shide right there, looking beautiful. And then Mickey Mouse in the script on that back hit. That's a fireball. This one actually needs to be cleaned up, which I have no problem doing. A lot of people don't know how to restore hats. I have 2 videos showing you guys how I do that. Is this focused? Yeah. Oh, this actually has a note. This is what I love. Sometimes these sellers be knowing who I am. It says, "Thrift God, what up? Thanks for your purchase. I'm a big fan and watch all your videos. Hope you enjoy the hat. I'm hoping to see it in a video one day. Today is the day." It says, "Give me a plug. The eBay is must not sleep. So don't sleep on him." And his name is Danny. Huh. All right, and this man, professional, bro, double wrapped the item, which I think you might have to do to distribute clothing. Oh, dude, I got this hat a long time ago, so hopefully Danny is still an active subscriber. I got this to do a sponsorship with, and then I never opened the package, but check it out, man. It is that Puma vintage snapback, and yes, this is Puma, the shoe company. Look at that unique handwriting, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, this font definitely looks like something a zombie, like a style a zombie would use, you know, when just I ate Paul, like on a wall out of my blood. Yes, that is amazing, and I think I'm O, so I can, you know, I can take any blood. So, all right, let me throw this on head and see what's going on with it. Oh, the snaps are not adjusted properly. This thing definitely is compressing my brain, but look at that. It actually has a nice little fit to it, and it's corduroy. That's what I like, that's what I love. All right, we're in the next box, and I absolutely massacred it, which whatever, man. That's life. Okay. Oh, I love this hat. You guys, I don't know if you know, but now you know. One of my favorite type of pieces to find in the thrift are California Raisin t-shirts. Is the ad campaign with the singing claymation raisins. And I'm just about to lose my mind. Honey, honey, yeah. And I finally got Snapback to go with my shirts. And what's even better is this thing is dead stock. I feel like I just breathed in a really small down feather. There's like something that just floated by and I just vacuumed that thing with the beak. But yeah, dude, California Raisins. Look at them hitting that thing, hitting the jig. Dude, this line of them just goes on forever, bruh. God, an eternity of raisins. That's what I love. 1987 is the year, and that's why I love vintage, man. You can actually get a unique item that you won't see everybody running around rocking. All right, and that is definitely desirable. Now, this box is kind of heavy, so I'm not exactly sure if it is something that was sent to my P.O. box or a purchase, but I guess there's only one way to find out, man. Holy hell, okay. This is, oh, I know who this is from. I know who this is from. Okay, we got a note in here and I gotta read it before I jump into it. This says, hey Paul, some customs for you. Mickey was made from vintage pillowcases and the North Face was made from 2 different North Face jackets. The little ants character I picked just the other day. It'll look good on the shelf. That is right. So this is from the homie Pete, AKA Peason George. And you guys need to follow this man. He also has a page called Peason Brand. I think that's the name off memory. This dude makes custom hats out of random objects, or I guess fabric, not objects, but that'd be cool if they were just made of objects. But guys, check it out, dude. You have the Pluto vintage hat. You got Pluto on the side panel, on the other side, and then look at the interior. This thing is lined, bruh. A nice felt, or I guess no, that's a fleece lining on the inside. And this thing has a quality clasp on the back, a nice brim. I'll give this man as much free advertising as possible because I really do love these hats. Like the customs he makes are absolutely crazy. So if you guys are in the market for some nice Mickey style, or really any style, as long as you got the fabric hats, then he definitely can provide. And he has some cool renditions that he already has made out of old jackets, as he's mentioned, such as this North Face hat right here. Oh my God. Bruh, hold on. Look at this shit. Oh my God. It even has the side pocket for narcotics. You can just put a blunt on the side of your skull. This is nice, man. Nice. God, and this one has the snaps on the back, and it even has a little North Face insignia right there on that zipper pull tab. This is beautiful, and this is also in the raisin colorway, and it's fleece lined on the inside. The construction is nuts on this. Let me just go ahead and throw it on. Boom. You know, you can adjust the brim to your liking. Bruh, this hat is nuts. Like, thank you so much, man. I love when people be getting creative, especially when it's people that watch my videos. That's love, that's fire. And then he threw in the young boy Hopper as well. That is this fool's name, right? I think it is. The evil cricket's name is Hopper. Dude, I used to have this as a kid. What the heck? This just brought back memories. Look at that. You opened up the bug guts and there's a whole like micro machine environment or a Polly Pocket house. That's fire, man. That is pure, unadulterated fire. Thank you so much for this. All right, man, we still got like 5 more things to unbox. Uh-oh, this has another note, man. Dude, I just be buying shit and people show love. Man, it makes me feel like I have an impact. This says, thank you, keep up the great work, Jose. Thank you, Jose. Boom, and thanks for the hat as well. You got Taz with his tongue out. Boy ready to just eat up a box. Look at that, man. It got Taz with the back script on the back. That's redundant, but hey, it's the truth. Look at this, man. One for the paint, one for the stink. Am I right? We eat booty, man. We eat booty. This is a very cool hat. Pretty clean on the inside as well. San Francisco 49ers colorway. Already. Yes, okay, this hat is also very clean. I've been wanting one of these and I finally found one, even though they absolutely crushed the living hell out of this hat to fit it in that box. They're trifling for that. But you have the Mack Trucks vintage trucker hat. This person had a big old head. Look at that. These snaps were hanging off for dear life. Got the little bulldog on it, and it's in the American flag colorway. I'm really gonna have to bend up this brim and reshape this dude because, man, that was an atrocity, guys. You can get boxes for less than $1 each on eBay that are 8 by 8 by 8 inches, okay? So get them inches and don't crush hats, all right? Amazon. Did I say eBay? You can get them on Amazon, bruh. Ooh, oh my God. Oh my God, bruh. Okay, we got another eBay purchase and somebody threw in the extra fishes get you a hella bitches note and item. Bro, I love y'all, man. Y'all are awesome. I got the Love Stinks vintage hat with Pepe Le Pew on it. Looney Tunes, another one, dead stock, bro. I swear I just be finding these hats. And this man is making sweet, sweet, stanky skunk love on the front of the hat. Now this thing right here, the fishes that get you hella biatches, you already know, bruh. Look at these. What on earth? Designer fashion brand, vintage tag. Oh yeah, hold on. We rocking nothing but designer, baby. Look at these shorts. Oh, they're covered in aquatic awesomeness. Oh yes, aquatic and erotic, baby. Let's see if they fit. Oh, they do. Look, it's like I'm wearing a fish bib. Bro, I could go to Red Lobster and just have myself a nice little spread. Bro, these are so nuts. Thank you so much. Man, I feel blessed. I feel blessed, baby. Okay, we're gonna still get into 2 more because I'm really feeling the momentum of this video. It's picking up. It's lovely. All right. Bath and Body Works box. What? So this thing gonna smell like lotion? Dude, I don't even like using lotion. It just makes me feel ashamed, bro. And you guys can just go wherever you want with that. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, getting into this box. Oh, I got a snapback lot, which I completely forgot about. Look at that plaid interior. That thing is nice. It's like a picnic, but instead of food, I'm just eating hats. Yum. I don't know what that's called. What's a hat eater called? Is that like a philia of some sort? But look at this, bruh. Dallas Cowboys vintage trucker, nice. I think I grabbed some of these to sale, but I grabbed this one for the personnel. You have the Houston Oilers in the mix, which I definitely want. I love all the old Oilers hats. This dude has 1 bar on his helmet. Why don't you focus, camera? It's like my camera is having a heartbeat right now. That's annoying, but that's life. This hat is fire. Miami Saucing like a damn dolphin vintage trucker hat. Super nice. I love the 2 like dolphin words on the side of it. This thing is lovely and it got the orange straps on the back. And then last and not least, you got the New York Will They Still Be Trash This Year Jets. All right. Why is my camera pulsating, bro? I'm about to kill you. Not you watching this, the camera, man. Y'all don't deserve that. You know you don't deserve that. Y'all be showing too much love. Okay. Last package. Hopefully this one is an absolute banger. We shall see. Man, I got one ridiculous hat and I really hope, I really pray it is this one. Man, why'd they take the box like this? I don't know if this is it. Damn it, it's not, but this hat is still fire. We got another hat unboxing that's gonna be coming up. But check it out, you got the Coors Light vintage snapback, the silver bullet, baby. They could kill a vampire with alcoholic beverages. This is nice. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. All right, some of those hats are gonna be for sale on thriftheavenvintage.com. Some of them are gonna be in the personal collection. And yeah, dude, I just want to share my love for hats with this unboxing, show you guys what I was copping, what I was not, and also got to display some custom hats from the homie. So that is always amazing. Anyways, thank y'all for watching once again. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. Got more Trip to the Thrifts coming up. You guys already know. Without further ado, man, I'm locked, I'm loaded. Live the dream, eat that ice cream, and I'm out. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.